Hi, I'm Scott Brickley with ArtBin. We rolled out a bunch of new products this year we're very excited about, as always. First of all, we have our vinyl storage tower. This is this is two vinyl storage towers stacked together. Great for storing all your vinyl. And then we have a storage spot on the top for all your tools and accessories. Second, we have our vinyl storage rack. This actually came out last year, but it's along the same lines. It's wall mountable, or you can leave it on your desk. As I move further down into the booth, we have in our Super Satchel series, we added bins that fit into our Super Satchel. So it's available in a 3-pack or available for sale inside our Super Satchel. So we have it in two configurations. We have small bins, and then we came out with a longer bin for your longer items. So this is our Super Satchel 4-pack for the long bins. And then we'll also sell it all together in a Super Satchel with the long bins and the short bins mixed together. We also came out with, in our Solutions Box series, we came out with a larger and deeper Solutions Box. So here you go, it fits great for alcohol inks, glitter glue, pens, pencils, washi tape, just about every item you have in your craft room. Another exciting product for the cutting machines, we came out with a desktop organizer. So the desktop organizer has slots in front for your scrapers for your Cricut machine, and then all your implements and cutting tools fit nicely into the holes. It's designed also to work great for fine art items as well. We also came out with we've always had a 4x6 photo storage box, but we came out with a box to put those boxes inside of. So here's our 4x6 box. In this case, we have other items in it. So it's great for 4x6 cards and any other storage item you see fit to put in it. Finally, coming out in April, we'll have a new double deep Super Satchel that comes with a removable tray. So we've always had the double deep, and we've always had the dividers inside. We came out with a tray that fits 12 by 12 paper. It's also great for sewing as well. And then on the bottom of it, we have customizable dividers to fit whatever type of project you want. So you can remove dividers to fit longer items and customize it for your needs. So that's it. I'm Scott with Art. We appreciate your time.